Welcome to the Practical Electrical Engineer YouTube channel. I am Carlos Atkins, a licensed professional engineer based in Atlanta, Georgia. This channel exists because there is a growing gap between how electrical systems are designed and how they are expected to perform in the real world. Facilities today are more complex than ever. Power systems are carrying more load. Downtime is more expensive. Safety expectations are higher. But too often, engineering decisions are still driven by minimum requirements instead of operational reality. That is what the practical electrical engineer is here to address. When I say practical electrical engineering, I mean designs that work under real operating conditions, safety decisions that actually protect people, and power systems that behave predictably, not just on paper. This channel focuses on 4 core areas. First, practical power system analysis and design. How modern engineers evaluate coordination, loading, and system behavior in the field. Second, safety and compliance, including arc flash risk and NFPA 70E requirements, explained clearly and applied correctly. Third, mission-critical and data center power systems. Redundancy, reliability, and how to design electrical systems that cannot afford to fail. And finally, the business side of engineering. How responsibility, risk, and ownership change as engineers move into leadership roles. This channel is for facility managers, engineers, and decision makers who are responsible for electrical systems and the consequences of those systems. If that sounds valuable, subscribe. New videos will focus on real engineering problems, real-world constraints, and practical decision-making. Welcome to the Practical Electrical Engineer. Let's get into it.